Here's the pair of the Btootos A90 Pro earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Amazon Fire TV or an Amazon Fire TV stick via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these in the pairing mode. So go ahead and take out your buds out of the case. And as soon as you take them out, if you wait a few seconds, you'll know it's in pairing mode if both of these are blinking white. One will blink white rapidly, the other is going to blink white slowly. But I'm not getting any lights on mine. The reason why I'm not is because I'm actually connected to a different device, my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus here. All right. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, I can either go to the device I'm currently connected to, turn off Bluetooth, disconnect, or delete from the pairing list, or I can just reset these and they will automatically go into pairing mode. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and turn off Bluetooth on this phone here and watch the earbuds. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off. Now give it a little bit, and now you can see that one of them is blinking white fast, the other is blinking white slowly. So now it's in pairing mode. So let's shoot over to our TV here, and we want to go to settings. Just go to the gear icon on the right there, and then from here we're going to go down, and we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Let's select that. All the way down, other Bluetooth devices, select that, and then we're going to go down to add Bluetooth devices. Let's select that, and now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode, and it should show up somewhere here, and it did. A90 Pro is right there. Let's go ahead and select that. Pairing the device, and voila, we are now connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had any kind of issues putting it in pairing mode or connecting, you can always reset these. If you need to do that, look below for the link in the description area.